Hi friends, I want to show you this product that I just received today. These are heavy-duty dish ones and came with 6 non-scratch refills and what's up dispensing handle that is awesome and make you more easy all the process of wash your dishes. So here are the scratches, and this is the soap dispenser that you can use with your hand. Have this design that make more comfortable for your hand. And in this part, you can open it. I'm gonna put some soap and just a little water. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna shake it a little. And with this scratch that have this foam right here, I'm just gonna put my dispenser in this part. And the magic happens. So now you can see all this soap in the scratch. And we're gonna wash this dish. So you can press here, and with the press of the air, the soap comes to your scratch. Look. So it's so easy to use. You just have to take your handle cleaner and do your wash your dishes. These scratches are for heavy duty, so you can use it in any dishes that you have, and you can clean it so easy. Now we're gonna use some water. And ready. As you can see, our dish is so clean. So if you wanna wash your dishes more easy, I highly recommend this. See you.